Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and they wanted to know how to blend these colors together. This is an EPS file. I never had really worked with it before, but it's already maybe traced. So we're going to go to Group and Ungroup, and we can look at it. It is less than 11 inches, so I'm going to set my nudge factor on 12. And I'm going to click on it. Whoop. And I see that I get the entire image, so it's got to be probably an outline, so I'm going to move it over. Click on it again, and I get another outline. So then I can click on the colors, and I'm going to nudge them down. I'm going to zoom in so we can get all the colors. That's evidently a dot. I'm going to get all the colors that are inside the B. And I think we got them all. So now we have this, it's the range of colors. All I'm going to do is select it all. And I'm going to left click an orange, or right click an orange, sorry. And if you looked really close, you can see maybe the lines that created the different colors. And you might not be able to see that on your monitor. I can't really see it right now. But go to Object and combine it. And when you did that, it took away that. And then just nudge it up. So now all the oranges are basically blended together. Now the O is a little bit harder because it's got this gray in here. And this brown kind of leaks into, I might make another video later today on that. And then I'm not sure if they're going to cut this out or anything, but I would select it all and then left click no outline, and it gets rid of all that reddish tint. If we back up, you can kind of see a red hairline around everything, or a pink. But if you have it all selected, if you right click no outline, that goes away. So I'm pretty sure this is for a printer or sublimation. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.